Hey out there in YouTube, how we doing today? Well, got something interesting from Gerber, as you see, and you already pretty much see what we're going to take a look at today. Honestly, I found this guy when I was wandering through a local Fred Meyer, and I was like, hey, what the heck? They got it on sale? Let me bring it to the channel. So stay tuned. Right after we roll that intro, we're going to look at this one. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Today we're going to take a look at the Gerber Skyridge Fast 2.0. Now I got to tell you honestly, I like the way it looked. I like the way it feels. The only thing I don't like about it is it's a pain in the ass to get it open, and it really doesn't rock it open like it's supposed to. So this may be a follow-up video because honestly, it really... That's its assisted open to there. It's supposed to pop all the way. So I'm going to be contacting Gerber and talk to their warranty people and see what I got to do to possibly send this blade back to get it, fixed. But let's take a look at this from, a different point. As we usually do, here comes the stats. It's got an overall length of 7.875 inches. The blade is 3.375 and closed it's 4.5 inches. It's got a pretty good weight at 4.8 ounces, and I'll be honest with you, what sold me on it, hopefully you can see that in there, is the blue anodized steel liners that it has. It added something to it that I thought was freaking phenomenal. Now your blade steel is 7CR17 MOV. I know, it's a budget steel from Gerber, big freaking surprise, especially seeing how this one, not made in the USA, it's made over in China. Like a lot of Gerber's, I don't want to say lower end blades, but not like their really expensive ones like the strong arms and other stuff. Now, it's got, from what they say, a bead blast finish, but I didn't really see that. I saw it as more of a satiny kind of finish, to be honest. But, what do I know? I'm not the one making the blade. Now, I love the fact it's got this weird little drop point style to it. It's not overly aggressive, but it's beautiful when you're using it across a stone. Well, I haven't done it yet. I've only run it over a strop, and I'm assuming the way that blade angle is just going across. Now, as usual, and I hate this with a lot of good blades, the handle, glass-filled nylon. Seems to be very popular nowadays to make plastic handles. Now, it's supposed to have a spring-assisted open, but like I showed you, yeah, no, it doesn't. This one's just not rocketing open like it's supposed to. It does have the dual thumb studs. Now, what I liked is it's got a plunge lock, not to mention a double locking mechanism with a locking crossbar. That's not going to open until, you put it down. And now you get it up, no problem. No, oh, God, that sounded bad. I am so sorry. Wow. Okay, now, like I said, it was made in China. And I know I usually forget to do these a time or two, but normal paracord, well, I should say military-grade paracord, you can see the internal strands. So this one, like I said, I stropped it a couple times like I do every other blade when I get them. Pretty freaking sharp. Right out of the box. Oops. That was my fault, not the blade. Okay, so the other thing we usually do is I take a look out there, and I'm adding a third, how shall we say, shopping venue today. Now, I took a look at Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. On Gerber, this is going to run you flat 39 bucks. Over on Amazon, $22.83, and Blade HQ, $29.95. Now, as we usually do, we take a look at the ratings. It has not been reviewed on Amazon as of yet. Over on Gerber, it's got a 4 out of 5 star rating, and Blade HQ, the exact same, 4 out of 5. But that's my very quick tabletop look at the Gerber Skyridge. I'd like to know what you guys think down below. Leave me your questions, your comments, your love, your hatred, all that wonderful stuff. You know I want to hear it, so bring it on. If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to view my video. I know there's lots of options out there, and I'm very honored you chose mine. You should be seeing a symbol popping up right down here. That's going to be the company logo. Please go ahead and click on that, and that's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you smash that subscribe button, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. That's going to inform you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube pulls from, my catalog and thinks will be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The Gerber Skyridge Fast 2.0. Like I said, look forward to a follow-up video because I'm going to be contacting, customer service and see what I can do to get that to ratchet open. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.